I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone in Marvel Rivals. Step 1. Navigate to the Marvel Rivals home screen and then click Settings at the top of this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Click Settings in this menu. The full settings menu is displayed. Step 3. Click Social in the menu along the top of this screen. Social options are shown on the lower part of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down this screen to the Social section, find Blocklist, and then click Manage next to Blocklist. The Blocklist window opens, showing you everyone you currently have blocked in Marvel Rivals. Step 5. Find the user you want to unblock in Marvel Rivals, and then click the X next to that user. You'll see a note letting you know that this user has been removed from your block list and is immediately unblocked in the game. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.